Tomic Himalaya Airless Paint Sprayer is designed for professional painting contractors as well as prosumers. It is ideal for painting all interior or exterior projects, walls, decks, siding, fences, etc. This is much more efficient than any handheld paint sprayer, great performance, and still cost-effective. Equipped with a 25 feet sprayer hose and portable handle, you can move it easily around the work area. The 5/8 HP motor, which delivers up to 3000 psi pressure, enabling you to quickly cover large areas. By using this professional paint spray, you can save up to 55% of paint compared to another standard handheld sprayer. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The airless paint sprayer has been designed for professional painting contractors as well as prosumers. It is ready to tackle any painting job around the home. The airless sprayer is suitable for painting materials including water-based and oil-based interior and exterior paints. Number 2. With the convenience of drawing paint straight from the can, you will avoid messy paint spills. This sprayer equipped with 5/8 HP, 650 watts, motor, which delivers up to 3000 psi pressure, enabling you to quickly cover large areas. Number 3. The hose of the sprayer up to 25 feet long, the non-kink hose can easily reach your painting project. The nozzle sizes are convertible, which allows you to choose the fittest one for your different work needs. A compact design with a built-in carry handle makes it easy to move around the work area. Number 4. The next time you're painting a wall, room, fence, or the whole shed, the airless sprayer will help you achieve a professional finish in no time. Also, the parts of the paint sprayer are removable, which is extremely convenient and easy for you to clean. Number 5. Decreases overspray up to 55% compared to standard airless sprayers. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.